Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to Mobile WizTech. This is going to be an unboxing for the Ghostek Covert 3 protective case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So before we get to rolling, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and a notification bell button so that way you will know when new videos are posted on my channel. So again, this is the Ghostek Covert 3 protective case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. See how this case looks. So this is the smoke color edition. It is the clear case, but it's smoked. All right, let's take all this stuff out here. And here's the case. You got your reinforcement protection on the corners. It's made out of silicone, but it's military grade, so you should get good shock protection. Let's take a look at the cutouts. All right, no buttons on this side. Then you have your buttons on this side here. And then your ports. Got a little branding down there. And it does have a good grip to it, so it should not be slipping out of your hands. Let's take a look at that lip. Let's see, get a good focus there. There's a decent amount of lip there. So it should sit on the table without scratching your device, or your screen on your device should not be touching the surface, should I say. Let's look at the cutouts for the camera. Pretty thick, so that should be protected as well. So let's take a quick look at the pink color one for the ladies. I think this one will look really nice with the Aura Glow Note 10 Plus, with all the lights reflecting through that clear pink back. I think that'll look really nice for the ladies. There's also an all clear one. I don't have that one, but it is available on Amazon. In fact, all these cases are available on Amazon. If you're interested, please head to the description and use the links there, as it truly helps me out. Again, this is the Ghostek Covert 3 protective case for the Note 10 Plus. If you like this video, please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.